Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So this is GainX 1250-minute time frame. This has been on uptrend right from here. Okay, so it got to this resistance zone, even though it has not been able to break out from there. It decided to go back on downtrend. In short, I actually thought it will go back on downtrend fully by now, but it's had a little pullback at this point. Okay, so it's finding it difficult to break out from this particular support region. You can see it's respected it around here also. So it went back up and came back down again, and of course, right from there, it's going back up again. Okay, even though I still believe that it's still going to sell more, except if it's going to break out above this resistance, and that is when it's not going to sell again. I just wanted to be true with the pullback, and right from there, we're going to see what will happen. So we still expect more of a selling opportunity, but we wanted to break out below this support zone first before it will start selling. Okay, so this is very, very important. So it's still going to be a sell from there, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it will not sell. But if it does not, and if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. This actually started a downtrend right from here, started selling from here, gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal. It has been selling since then. Okay, so and of course, guys, it is still selling, except if it's unable to break out below this support zone. That is when it will change the direction of the trend into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out. This is PayNext 1200. This has been on a very strong uptrend, got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from here, but got to this region and had a pullback. Okay, once it is done with the pullback, I still expect it to sell more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for long, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it will buy more. Okay, so buying at the moment, I still expect it to sell more once it is done with the pullback. Okay, so this is very, very important. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999, and of course this had been on a very strong uptrend, and of course just the way we are saying it, it's still buying at the moment, and of course we should take note of that. Okay, it should be targeting the next resistance zone, so this is still buying at the moment. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, and this has been an uptrend, and of course dropping down at this point. Okay, so broke out from this resistance zone, and of course to give us more buying opportunity, and this is still very much on uptrend at this moment. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.